Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to discuss a topic that surfaced in my mind, and please correct me if I'm wrong or if you think otherwise. I welcome all your comments. What I believe, guys, that government of Canada has to do enforcement of immigration policies and rules. Why I'm saying this? Because we know like millions lost their status last year and million will lose this year. While majority of these will go back, many will not, and nobody has the actual number how many. So these people are the perfect recipe for crime, because many will go underground because they have nothing to go back for, and starting from cash jobs, they will be easily targeted by criminal gangs recruitments, and many will become dreadful criminals too. Okay, because of the circumstances. So what it could lead it, we are seeing it across the country. Crime wave has been like too much. I don't have the figures to tell you, but it has been too much. People are scared in many areas because of the rampant criminal activities going on. So first of all, laws should be changed, no doubt. The laws have to be tougher, no doubt about it. But at the same time, immigration enforcement has to be there. Like because what happens, like if you break a law, okay, let's say you're living illegally, so you have broken a law already. You know, if you are caught, you are going to be deported. So you know you have done something wrong, but at the same time you think, okay, I can break more laws, I can do more crime. What are they gonna do? If they catch me, they will deport me. Okay, they are gonna do it anyway now. Even if I don't do the crime and if I get caught today, still I'm gonna be deported. So let's have some fun. Let's do some crime, collect some money, send some money overseas or whatever I'm saying. So that's why enforcement action is very important. I know Canada is deporting the most numbers in years, like 400 a week, as I saw in the news. But I don't think that's sufficient. CBSA has to be resourceful. Government have to arm CBSA with all the resources so that they can deport more people, they can catch more people, and rules need to be updated too, so that CBSA does not feel hurdles when they're trying to remove someone forcefully. Some people saying that ICE should be a standard for CBSA. Maybe if somebody like, especially those who have become illegal and are involved in criminal activities, they have to be taken care of. And this is only possible with CBSA being much more resourceful than they are today, so that even for higher numbers of cases, they can do the job. This is what I believe, guys. You tell me what you believe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.